I'm Lisa Massey from Geocatch, and today I'm talking about some Bay OK gardening tips for autumn. Now the weather's cooling down, it's time to get back into the garden and start renovating those areas that might not have dealt with the summer heat. Autumn is the time to deal with those bare lawn patches that have appeared over summer. It's probably because the soil has become hydrophobic again. What you need to do is to add a little soil wetter, some compost, just a sprinkle, and your favourite fish or seaweed solution. Since we have such sandy soil, you should be using soil wetter up to 4 times a year to make sure that the moisture stays in your soil. Often your plants don't need fertiliser. They will pep up pretty quickly with a sprinkle of compost, and remember the soil wetter. If your plants do need fertiliser, choose a product that is slow release. Always check the weather forecast so you're not fertilising before heavy rain, and always water it in with your sprinkler system. And remember, read the back of the packet. Those instructions are important. You don't want to give your plants too much or that little bit extra because they just can't use it. They don't absorb it in time. Choose a fertiliser that will release the nutrients slowly so your lawn can use it over the next couple of months. Any product that promises fast results will be just a waste. Autumn is a good time to tidy up the garden, especially prune those natives that have finished their flowering and get rid of the dead ones or the ones that haven't performed so well over summer. Those prunings can be used to be mulched and added to your compost. Speaking of compost, there is still time to make up a new batch. Just remember to water it regularly so those microbes stay healthy. A sprinkle of compost on your lawn, just the bare patches, and also on the sandy spots in your garden beds will help to keep the soil healthy. We all need to stay at home at the moment, so now is the time to discover the joys of gardening. This is an activity that can keep us active, outdoors, and can fully occupy our minds away from all the bad news. A Bay OK garden minimises nutrient runoff, conserves water, and supports the biodiversity by providing a refuge for native animals. By following Bay OK principles, you can help protect the waterways and Geographe Bay whilst also having a beautiful garden.